We are here with Troy from Crazy Train, and as you might have guessed, he's got himself a new toy. Troy, tell us about the bike.
Well, this is the new Crazy Train bike. It's a 2020 Street Glide that had sent out to Southern Bagger Audio in Cape Coral, Florida. And Mike Grahowski from Southern Bagger Audio had the bike for about a year and was delivered last week. And having some fun with it. And I'm honored to be here at Flitz, and the bike just got treated with some great Flitz product, and it looks fantastic, obviously, as you can see.
Mind firing it up for the crew and making some noise?
Absolutely.
Yeah. Thank you, buddy.